In the field of software development, many software developers got their jobs during the time of study. You may ask yourself, how do I know that I'm ready to get a job? Here is some of the tips that I would like to share with you guys. How do I know that I'm ready to get a job as a software developer? One of the idea is that if you're absolutely new in programming, notice that once you know HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, you can start applying for jobs. You can start applying in different companies online and apply for job either as a freelancer and start working as a software developer. HTML, CSS is one of the beginner jobs that are available for web development. And another thing is that as you apply, you should remain studying. Uh, you can apply as you study. Apply as you study. Another thing is that you should also add on. You should also add on to learn some JS frameworks such as React. You may add on Vo and the Angular. So you may search for the trending framework, even depending on your country that you live in. Uh, but my simple idea is that React is so trending these days. You may pick React. Once you know JavaScript, it doesn't require you knowing everything in JavaScript. As long as you know the concepts of JavaScript, you can easily go ahead and go to a framework. Either you pick Angular, Vue, or React.js that helps you for building user interfaces. So another thing is that um, you should also add in some CSS frameworks such as Bootstrap. They help to simplify for your work, uh, such as SAS. You may pick any framework of styling that you may wish to take. You may go with Bootstrap, learn some Bootstrap to help improve on your styling knowledge, aside that you can make a complete website. So another thing is that put in some effort. A job always needs your effort. Once you put in strong effort in your revision, in coding, there are high chances for you that you'll be getting a job with in a short time, in a short period of time. It needs persistence in software world. Always we remain on persistence. Many software developers, some that get tired quickly, they may not manage software development, but it requires persistence. And once you persist, don't get an error and starts losing hope. There are many ways to help you. There are communities. Go to Google, type for that error that you have got. There are many software developers that have ever received such a certain error. You will get a quick help. So it always needs practice. Practice always makes perfect. Once you practice the code that you have gained in a short period of time, practice it. Practice always gets you more knowledge. Um, it adds a lot to you in the field of software development. So you may fail many. There is always an opportunity for you to solve an issue that you came across. So code and code at the end, you will be a perfect software developer. So coding and coding make your hands dirty with coding. It's like the more time you put in coding, the less time that takes you to get a software development job, and it's the less time it takes you to learn to code. So you're not similar with
See
a
you in the
person
next
putting in
video.
6 hours a day coding and you're putting in 1 hour. You're not similar with that person. In other words, that person will learn to code uh, quicker in a short period of time compared to someone putting in 1 hour only a day to code. So, lastly, I would do, I would like to show you that building a portfolio is one of the uh, best idea that will get you a software development job. Once you build a portfolio, a strong portfolio, in other words, building a portfolio doesn't need you to be an expert. And once you know HTML, CSS, you can easily build a portfolio. Uh, you can know HTML, CSS, add in some bootstrap for clear animations uh, on your site. Uh, if you wish, you can add on some JavaScript to show that your portfolio is a bit professional. A portfolio should include in your life, your experiences, your work experience. Uh, it should describe you. You may also include certain work that you have done. So that's all that I wanted to show you guys. Um, I wish that um, if the video has been so helpful to you, give it a thumbs up and then see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.